Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and today we're going to do a planting tutorial for our double sugar plum petunia hanging baskets. So our double sugar plums are a beautiful double petunia. So it's like a big poofy pom-pom, and it's lavender and lavender veined, very beautiful. We've grown it for a couple of years, and we really love this petunia. So we've got our little chart here so that whoever's planting it, whether it's me or any of the team, we kind of know what we need and how many we need of them. So we're gonna do 28 for retail. We had a bunch of custom orders on this, so we have to fill custom pots that people brought back, and brand new planters as well, and then pies. So I'm gonna show you the pie. So the pie is the same pot we use for our envy kits. And basically this is just, we plant it in here, and then it's gonna grow and be beautiful and poofy and root in really well. And when it's time to go home, it's really easy just to scoop it out of the pot, out of the plastic, and put it right into your planter filled with soil. So we have a whole bunch of these pies to do for this mix, which is a really great option for people that have like planters or, you know, just really beautiful planters at home. You don't have to lug them back and forth to the garden center. So to get started, we are planting these in a 12-inch hanging basket. And last year we did like an info thing on how many petunias to put per basket. So in a 12-inch basket, for a trailing or wave type of petunia, we're putting 4. So we have our dibble board here that we're going to use to press all of these. And I'm going to start by putting in the slow release fertilizer first. So petunias love plant food. They need extra nutrients. They're really aggressive growers, so they need that. And we're just going to give that a nice little press. And it just gives me an indentation, it's maybe hard to see on camera, of where I need to put the plants. So I'm going to show you what the petunias look like. So this shipment, we were waiting about half a week on them. They were delayed. We have several trays of these petunias. These ones came not too bad, but the truck was late, so these plants were boxed up for a couple of days. This tray, really yucky. There's a lot of loss on here. We're gonna clean them up, take off any of the moldy, mushy leaves, and plant them into smaller pots and just see if they revive or not. So that's just part of shipping and moving live plant material. Sometimes we lose them. So I'm gonna, and then some of these are fantastic. So take a look here. Really great, lots of branching, a little bit of bad leaves. I am gonna pull those off because we don't want it to damage anything else. And not to worry, they're gonna grow out really good. We're choosing the best ones for the basket. So I'm just placing them here right in that container. And we are gonna skip over the ones that don't look as good. Right here. When we're planting petunias in particular, we learned a long time ago at a conference, it's really good to have them really tight to the center in your pot. And the reason for that is that one, they're outside in the real world and it's windy. The wind can, you've seen hanging baskets before where they kind of get a bald spot or they split. If they're planted further apart, they don't intertwine as much. So if they're planted really tight, those strong stems are all mixed up and they'll do a lot better in the wind. So here's another one, looks really good. Just pull off that bottom leaf. That looks really good. And we're gonna put that here. So all 4 are in here. Then we put on our hanger. Let's grab that. It's windy outside. And get this guy on. So this will be a retail basket. And like I said, we only have, I think, 28, but we'll have lots of these in smaller pots, individual pots for you to purchase in the springtime. And then our tag goes on. Tag has, you know, it's a 12-inch double sugar plum, has our barcode, which is easy for us to scan at the till. The price is on here, and then growing these in sun. So petunias love full sun. They can take the heat, and or they can go in part sun. So the east, south, or the west sides of your home, they will do wonderfully. They do like plant food, so make sure to fertilize your petunia baskets. So that is what the basket looks like. And I'm gonna do a pie as well to show, because we do so many pies. And the pie is the same as the envy kit container. Let's see, I'll make it a little bit higher. Okay, so we can see that really well there. So we just have double sugar plum. These are custom ordered. So, but we plant them all at the same time. Again, throw some plant food on there, some fertilizer, because petunias love that. Give it a squish with our stamp, our dibble board. And we just made these. I know a lot of other greenhouses have inquired about them. Pretty simple, just some wooden dowels and wooden plywood and some old handles we recycled. I dropped my fork. And I'm gonna put the 4 petunias into here. Grab all 4 of them out at once. It goes a little quicker. And these guys look pretty good. I don't see the need to take off too many leaves from the shipping damage. Put them in here. And that looks fantastic. So that one's done. So we keep all of the custom ones out in the back 40. And there we go. So we got lots of planting to do today. I'm going to keep showing all of the mixes that we're doing, but have a look at what's next. Thanks, guys.